Welcome to Decoded. This can be confusing in JavaScript. Have you ever wondered how precisely this in JavaScript works? It can be tricky. Here's how it works. Let's define an object like this. It will have name property, and we will define two functions, regular function and arrow function. In both functions, we are console logging this .name. Calling object.regular will output JS, while calling object.arrow will output undefined. The reason for this is because arrow functions use outer context. Context of this depends on how the function is called, not where it's defined. One way to fix the problem is using .bind to explicitly set this. Mastering this takes practice. Keep learning with us. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript facts.